Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name's Ford with Diesel Care and Performance, and today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to be unboxing some of our most popular products here at DCP. Today we'll look at the Master Kit for the Ford 7.3 Powerstroke. If you have any questions on what we go over today, feel free to give us a call at 800-961-9290 or check us out online at dieselcare.store. So this is our Master Kit for the Ford 7.3 Powerstroke. This is going to be a great option for those vehicles that are getting up in mileage, getting up in age. You want to make sure that you're changing out your injectors every 200,000 miles or so. Some of these vehicles are 25, 30 years old, so you want to make sure that you're maintaining them well. We've also partnered the injectors themselves with some other electrical components, the wiring harnesses, the glow plugs, just to make sure that you're not leaving your vehicle down for any longer than you already are. So with that being said, let's get in and see what comes with this kit. So obviously the most important part of the kit is going to be the injectors themselves. These are all going to come individually boxed, individually packaged, and they're double bagged and bubble wrapped just to make sure that you're going to get them safely. We've gone ahead and unwrapped one for you here, and you'll notice that you're going to have your copper washer and your O-rings that you're going to need to install them with. They're going to be pre-lubricated, so they're ready to go, ready to get in the truck. When you do get your cores out and get these already installed, just go ahead and reuse the same boxes, and you can reuse the same box you get all of your parts in, just to make sure that it gets here safely. And if you haven't done this work before, or you just want to double check, we have technical information, installation instructions, removal instructions, and really any information that you're going to need so you can get the job done right. Along with your injectors, you're also going to get some valve cover gaskets, some wiring harnesses, and a full pack of glow plugs. You want to make sure that you go ahead and change out these parts since you've already got the truck down, make the most of your time, and do the job right. We also want to make sure that as we go into the winter months, you're keeping up maintenance on those electrical components. Glow plugs are always great just to have in your toolbox. And the wiring harnesses, some people might reuse theirs when they're changing out injectors, but they have a tendency to warp. They might have a disconnected wire or something that's going to stop your job from getting completed. So you want to make sure you just go ahead and get those parts changed out. And the glow plugs, pretty basic. These are all our in-house brand, and so you'll get a full set of those. And then on the wiring harnesses, and the valve cover gaskets, keep in mind this is an early model style 7.3, so this is going to have the 2-port. If you have a later model, like maybe an AD or AB, it might have the port in the middle. We can supply those just the same. And so these are going to be the valve cover gaskets and the internal wiring harnesses you've got there. You've got the plugs and some install parts for that as well. If you have the truck down, maybe you do get the job done and you're still having problems, still having hard start, something's going on, give us a call. We can usually troubleshoot over the phone with you, and we can definitely supply you any parts that you need. We do the high pressure oil pumps here in-house, and we have a ton of install parts that are known to go bad on the Powerstroke. So if you need any more information or want to purchase this kit, give us a call at 800-961-9290, and we'll be able to help you out. So this kit retails for $1,050, so just over $1,000. You're going to get all of the parts that you see right here. Keep in mind when you go to order this kit, the injectors and the valve cover gaskets do vary from the early model to the late model, so you're going to want to have the year and the model of your truck when you go to order. If you're unsure of the letter code, just make sure that you give us a call. We can help you with all that information. And thanks so much for watching. We do appreciate it. This is a little bit different from our other videos, but if you enjoyed what you're watching and want to see any other unboxing videos or learn anything else about our products, please comment or like or subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys next time.
Go ahead.
Is our Master Kit for the Ford 7.3 Powerstroke. This kit is a really good option for those. Do you hear the truck? Yeah.
Let's take that again.